Hello everyone, and welcome to the Sahlgrenska Global Health Hackathon. In this video, we'll explain to you how to register for the hackathon, how to create a team, but also how to find one if you don't have one, if you are participating individually. And in general, I will explain to you how to correctly leverage the platform to get everything that you need to participate in your local hackathon. So let me share the screen and let's go to Eventornado. Here we are on Eventornado. So to find your local hackathon, it's very simple. You go to eventornado.com and click on events. Once you click on events, you will be presented with the local hackathons here. So you just need to select your local hackathon and click on it. In this case, I will select the Swedish hackathon. And once you click, you will be presented here with your local event. We have a home tab where you can explore the general information about the hackathon. On the right here, you have the timeline. So you are updated on all the phases of this hackathon here. This timeline is always going to be in the time zone of your IP, of your computer. So you're going to see always your local time here. And very important, this hackathon has 5 different challenges to be addressed. You need to select just one with your team to address. So what you can do is to explore them, click on one of them. You can click here, maybe on the challenge number 1. And then if you go down here, you see all the information that you need, all the resources to better understand what that challenge is about. And then also here we have the live session tab. So in here, you will have all the information about the sessions that we organize for each one of the challenges. So with date, times, and also the links to join. So now how to register? It's super simple. You click on register here and you are presented with this screen here. So basically you will need to sign in and create an account on Eventornado in order to use it. It's like, using LinkedIn, right? You need to create a profile to use that platform. So in here you have 4 options: Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, or maybe also an email. In this case, I'm going to use Google because I already have an account on Eventornado. I'm going to select this account. But if I don't have one, this is what I will see. Basically, Eventornado will ask me to add a picture if you want, name, surname, and then all the rest is automatically selected. So you can click on save. And once you register, once you create your profile, you will be presented with the actual registration form. On the registration form, you need to fill it in. So basically, I'm going to fill it in with some dummy data. And also here, there is a very important question, which is how are you planning to participate? There are 4 different options. The first one is that you already have a team with your colleagues or friends. So imagine that you would like to participate with your startup or with your university mates. So you can do that. And you also are the team leader. So you can select the first option. I have a team with my colleagues, friends, and I will create it on this platform soon as a team leader. The second option is that your colleague or your friend is a team leader. So you are joining them. So you can select the second option here. Or also that you already have an idea for this hackathon. So you have an idea on how to address one of the 5 challenges, but you don't have teammates yet. So you can click on this option. I have an idea, but I'm also looking for others to join my team. You will be allowed to find other teams on the platform later. I will show you in a second how. And the last option is that you are just participating individually and you would like to find teammates for this hackathon. So you can click on the last option, which is I am applying as an individual and I'm looking to join or lead a team. Then, depending on your local hackathon, you need to select the city in your country that you would like to participate in. For example, in the Singapore hackathon or in the UK hackathon, we don't have different cities. So you can just skip this part. It's not present actually on the registration form. But in the other local hackathons where we have different cities, you will need to select yours. And then also you will need to join the Discord for this event if you want to correctly participate in the hackathon. So you need to click yes on this, and I will show you in a second how to create your Discord user and connect it, and then join the hackathon server chat. And then, of course, you need to accept the terms and conditions and the data policy of the event. So once you fill in all the form, you click on register. Congratulations, you are successfully registered. And what you can do right now, the first thing that you need to do is to connect your Discord user to this Eventornado event. So you can click on connect now, and you are presented with this page. So this is the case in which I already have an account on Discord. If you don't have one, you really need to create one and then repeat this process. So once you create your account on Discord, you can go back here, click on authorize, and then we will just wait a second while Eventornado connects your Discord user to this server. And this will be the place for you guys to communicate with us, with the organizers, but also with the mentors and with the other team members or participants or individuals. In here, we have a general channel where you can drop your question if you want to ask general question, or we have a find your team channel also. So this is the place for you to actually, if you're looking for a team, or if you have an idea and are looking for other team members, or also if you already have a team and would like to find additional team members. So this is the place where you can write a message down there. For example, hi, I am Michele, and I have skills in Python, I have skills in sustainability. So you can write down here your skills background and also maybe your preferred challenge. And also, in case your local hackathon has different cities, you must tell the people in which city you will participate in. So this channel here is the place for you to find other team members, basically. And then we will have an announcement channel, which is read-only. You cannot write down here. So in this channel, we usually provide you with the reminders or maybe links to join the live sessions or the hackathon kickoffs and so on. So going back to Eventornado, if I go back here, now let's pretend that I am a team leader and I would like to create a team on this platform. So it's very simple again. I can click on create team and idea. And now I am presented with this form here to create my team and my idea. So to create a team and an idea, I really need to select one of the challenges I would like to address. You will be able to change this selection before the hackathon starts. If you don't have no idea of what kind of challenge you would like to address, you can select one of them and then you can change it. You can write down the name of your idea here. I'm going to call it Michele's idea. And maybe also an idea description, right? So basically in here, you provide a first short description of what your idea is about, what you would like to address. Again, you will need to select the city your team will participate in case your local hackathon has a city. And then you can provide a team name. You can use this suggestion tool here if you want. I'm going to call it Achievable Way. But of course, you can come up with your own funny and great hackathon team name. So once you do this, you click on Submit. And once you click on Submit, congratulations, you have successfully submitted your idea. So what happens now is that you have now access to the new My Team and Idea tab. And in here, what you can do, you can invite the other team members through this button. So you click here, you put the email of your colleagues here, of your friends, maybe also a role in the team, and they will receive an email with the invitation. And once they click on it and they register on Eventornado, they will be automatically added to your team here. So if I go now back to the event chat, remember that my team is called Achievable Way. So if I go back now here, you will see that a new private team chat is created automatically with exactly the name of my team. So this would be the place for you guys as a team to communicate together. You can exchange files, you can chat, and you can work on the hackathon prior to the hackathon here and communicate in case you are in different locations. Like if I'm maybe in Gothenburg and my colleague is in Malmo, we will be able to communicate here prior to the hackathon. Then we will need to go all together physically in Gothenburg to participate. All right, so after you have registered and also you have created your team, you will see that a new tab will appear here, which is called the Hack Guide. So you can click on it and you will be granted access to this document, which is the Bible for your participation in the hackathon. So you can click on it, and then in here, basically, you have all the detailed information, for example, about the challenges, about the hackathon dates and logistics, about the webinars agenda, so all the links to join the webinars, and more specifically also details about the deliverables. So the deliverables are the milestones that you will need to complete during the hackathon itself. We have a deliverable number 1, 2, 3, and 4. So feel free to explore this and understand what is expected from you during the hackathon days before actually joining the hackathon physically. And then also very important information. In here, you have also the evaluation criteria that will be used to evaluate your ideas. Okay, so I really recommend reading this guide in advance before joining the hackathon, because it's super important to arrive prepared for it. Now, we covered the option, the case in which I already have a team and I was the team leader. But what if I don't have a team? So in addition to to define your team channel that I explained to you before, you can also go here and explore all the ideas that are already participating in the hackathon. So in this case, there is just my idea because I'm the only one registered, but you will see all the list of all the ideas participating here. You can click on them, you can see what the idea is about. And then also in here, instead of invite team member, you will see apply to join this team if you're not in that team. So once you click on that button, you will send a communication to the team leader that you're applying to join that team, and the team leader can decide whether to accept you or not. So this is an additional way for you to find a team, to join a team. Okay, now imagine that we are working during the hackathon days, and where can you guys submit your deliverables? Where can you submit your files, your links, once you have completed them? So if we go to the My Team and Idea tab, the team leader can click on Edit Idea. And please be reminded that this option to edit the idea is only available for the team leader. So the other team members cannot edit the idea. So the team leader can edit this idea. And then in here, new fields will appear here to upload your files, to upload deliverable number 1, 2, 3, and 4. And once you upload them, you can click on a date here. And then this is how you submit your files during the hackathon. This process is also explained on the Hack Guide, and it's super simple. But if you have any problem, you can always reach out to me on Discord. So you can either tag me on the general channel if you want, or you can also send me a direct message. So in here, you can send me a message directly if you click on my name. At any point prior to the hackathon or during the hackathon, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. We're always there to support you. And I believe this is all. And guys, thank you very much, and see you at the hackathon in the local location. Bye-bye.